Hi everyone, my name is Vinutha ji. So I am very thrilled to share you some existing exciting news with you all people. So recently I got placed at HCL as a desktop support engineer with a salary package of 3.5 lakh per annum, and I owned it all by the incredible training I received at Aviation Techno 4 like TechnoServe. I just wanted to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the amazing team that is Aviation TechnoServe for their for their exceptional training and their support. Their personalized approach to training and knowledgeable trainers and the focus on communication skills development truly helped me in enhancing my skills and secure this amazing opportunity at HCL. I learned so much during my time at Aviation TechnoServe, and I truly believe that it was because of their teachings, and it was I was able to excel in my interview and land this job in at HCL. The study materials provided were comprehensive, and the mock interviews were incredible beneficials in preparing me for the real world job interviews. I also want to give a special thanks to the placement team at the Aviation TechnoServe. Their guidance and support were invaluable throughout the placement process. They were above and beyond to help me to prepare for the interviews or to contact with any potential employers. I am immensely grateful for their assistance to the placement team. I express my heartfelt thanks for gratitude to the placement team. Thank you, Asian TechnoServe, for everything. This placement at HCL is a dream come true for me now, and it wouldn't be possible without your support and guidance. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity, and I can't wait to embark on this new journey at HCL. Thank you, Vision, for the great journey. I Yeah, thank you.